Screen is visible to everyone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
We'll have some exercise example on linear independent and Gaussian homogeneous differential equation with variable coefficient. So let me write the statement of this example. Consider the equation consider the equation y double dash plus a1 of x y dash plus a2 of xy is equal to 0, where a1 a2 are continuous on some interval I, continuous on some interval I, and let L of phi 1 is 0. That means phi 1 is solution of this differential equation with variable coefficient, and L of phi 2 0. So these two are the solutions. Then it is the question asked is so that find the value of this a1 and a2 if you know the solutions, or indirectly find this differential equation if solutions are known to you. Like that problem is this. Show that this how this a1 is computed. So a1 is computed by this formula minus of phi 1 phi 2. I'm writing this determinant and their double derivatives, phi 1 double dash and phi 2 double dash. It is divided by Wronskian of phi 1 and phi 2. Secondly, how this A2 is calculated? It is just phi 1 dash, phi 2 dash, and second row phi 1 double dash, phi 2 double dash. And this is going to be divided by Wronskian of phi 1 and phi 2. Wronskian you can calculate as. So this we want to show. Okay, let us discuss solution. Given linear differential equation of order 2 is y double dash plus a1 x y dash plus a2 xy. This is being homogeneous differential equation, and phi 1 and phi 2 are two solutions of it. These things are known to you. So from this, we can write phi 1 must satisfy this. L of phi 1 is 0. That is phi 1 double dash plus a1. Okay, instead of a1 x, I just mentioned a1. A1 phi 1 dash plus a2 phi 1. This is going to equal to 0. And another from this, you can write phi 2 double dash plus a1 phi 2 dash plus a2 phi 2 is going to equal to 0. So these are your unknowns that we want to determine. Huh? These are the unknowns that we want to find the value. So from this, I am writing the linear equations in these two variables as phi 1 dash a1 plus phi 1 a2. Secondly, phi 2 dash a1 plus phi 2 a2. This is going to equal to minus phi 1 double dash, and this is equal to minus phi 2 double dash. From these two equations, I have written. Now I can write this in matrix form. Your unknowns are A1 and A2. Phi 1 dash phi 2, phi 2 dash phi 2, A1, A2 is going to equal to minus of phi 1 double dash minus of phi 2 double dash. Now we can apply the Cramer's rule to solve this. How one can apply this Cramer's rule to solve this? So you want to find value of A1. How the value of A1 is computed? Now, okay, I should write matrix here. Suppose this is a G matrix, the coefficient matrix is determinant actually. Phi 1 dash, phi 2 dash, phi 2. So this is going to equal to what? If I write this as a matrix, not determinant, this as G matrix. Your coefficient matrix is your variable A1, A2. And this is the constant matrix minus phi 1 double dash and minus phi 2 double dash. So how the Cramer's rule is applied? So if you have to write value for A1, you should write the determinant of what? Write the same matrix, but don't write in the first column. The first column will remain empty. Okay, phi 1, and phi 2. The first column is replaced by the constant B matrix. So minus phi 1 double dash minus phi 2 double dash. This is going to be divided by the determinant of this D. What is determinant of D? You can calculate it easily. So here from the first column minus sign can be taken common for determinant property. Phi 1 double dash phi 1 minus phi 2 double dash. Okay, minus is taken common. Phi 2 minus 1 is taken common. And what is determinant of D? It is phi 1 dash phi 2 minus phi 2 into phi 1 dash. This is your Wronskian actually, you can check it. So in this way, A1 is this. Determinant phi 1 double dash phi 1 phi 2 double dash phi 2. It is divided by the Wronskian of phi 1 and phi 2. So this is the value of A1. Similarly, you can calculate value of A2. So denominator you should write determinant of D. What is determinant of D? Who is D? Actually D was phi 1. D is actually Wronskian. So I write Wronskian here. Okay, this is actually Wronskian of phi 1 and phi 2. The numerator, your first column of D will be as it is. First column of D will be as it is, phi 1 dash phi 2 dash, phi 1 dash phi 2 dash. Only second column is replaced by this constant B, minus phi 1 double dash minus phi 2 double dash, minus phi 1 double dash minus phi 2 double dash. So how you are going to evaluate this A2? Okay, you can take minus common. Once you take minus common, we can have of determinant property. Okay, I will take minus common first. Phi 1 dash, phi 1 double dash, phi 2 dash, phi 2 double dash. Minus sign is common upon the Wronskian of phi 1, phi 2. Due to this minus, you can what you do, the row and column can be changed. So minus of determinant phi 1 dash, phi 1 double dash, phi 2 dash, phi 2 double dash can be written as determinant of your required answer, phi 1 dash, phi 2 dash. The first column is become first row, and second column becomes second, phi 2 double dash. So numerator part can be replaced by this. The numerator part will be replaced by this, and this is your required. You can see here, this is your required phi 1, phi 2, phi 1 dash of phi 1, phi 2. हे लक्षात ठेवायला सोपं आहे आपल्याला. इथं कसं आहे, या ठिकाणी पहा phi 1, phi 2 आणि त्यांचे डबल डॅश. इथे काय आहे, फर्स्ट रो phi 1 dash, phi 2 dash, phi 1 double dash, phi 2 double dash. त्याप्रमाणे लक्षात ठेवायला या गोष्टी सोप्या आहेत. phi 1 dash, phi 2 dash, phi 1 double dash, phi 2 double dash. So like that, A1, A2 can be formed. So let us this apply example to another example that you can solve. Either apply whole procedure or create this A1, A2 as a formula. So I'm writing example next. Find differential equation. Find differential equation. Find differential equation. If two independent solutions, obviously it is of second order. Find differential equation such that obviously it is linear differential equation e to the power x and e to the power 2x are its independent solution. Are its independent solutions. So above formula can be applied here. The value of phi 1 is e to the power x and value of phi 2 is e to the power 2x. So let us calculate phi 1 dash is e to the power 2x. Phi 2 dash it is 2 e to the power 2x. Next, phi 1 double dash is e to the power x. Phi 2 double dash is 4 e to the power 2x. Now a1 and a2 you need to calculate. So what is value of a1x? A1 is the determinant of, you are writing phi 1, okay, minus sign. You are writing phi 1, phi 2, that is e to the power x, e to the power 2x. And in the second row, what you are going to write? A1, A2 चे किमती बघा काय होतं. Phi 1, A1 आहे तोच लिहायचा आहे ठिकाणी. हा A1, phi 1, phi 2 आणि phi 1 double dash, phi 2 double dash. Phi 1, phi 2 लिहिला मी. Phi 1 double dash is e to the power x. This is 4 e to the power 2. This is going to divide by Wronskian of e to the power x and e to the power 2. Wronskian of phi 1 and phi 2. Now we need to calculate this. हे calculate करायचं आपल्याला. वरचा determinant काय येईल पहा, 4 e to the power 3x minus e to the power 3x. This is divided by what is Wronskian of this? E to the power x, e to the power 2x, e to the power x, 2 e to the power 2. So Wronskian of this is 2 e to the power again 3x minus e to the power 3x. E to the power 3x is common. Okay. We can write this as 3 e to the power 3x divided by e to the power 3x. So it is 3. A1x is 3. So in this A1 is constant. That A1 is constant. Now, so what is the formula for A2? Formula for A2 आपण dash घेतला, phi 1 dash, phi 2 dash, phi 1 double dash, phi 2 double dash. This is going to divide by Wronskian. आपण Wronskian काढला या ठिकाणी. Wronskian याचा काय आला, e to the power 3x आला. Okay, I'll write Wronskian of phi 1 and phi 2. So phi 1 dash is e to the power x, phi 2 dash is 2 e to the power 2x. Phi 1 double dash is e to the power 2 e to the power x, it is 4 e to the power 3x. This is going to divide it by e to the power 3x. So A2 you get it as A2 is 4 e to the power 2x into e to the power x, that is e to the power 3x minus 2 e to the power 3x divided by e to the power 3x. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 e to the power 3x upon e to the power 3x get cancelled and A2 is 2. Both are constants. Thus, y double dash plus A1x is 3 into y dash plus A2x is 2, y is a differential equation or linear differential equation independent solutions are independent solutions are e to the power x and e to the power 2x. आपण चेक करू शकतो याचा linear homogeneous differential equation. You can check it. So this type of questions maybe come for your objective type. You have to construct. You are given that independent solutions, and you need to compute the given differential equation. So this is the best way to compute the given differential equation. Okay, I have another example of same type. Another example of find the differential equation. Find the differential equation, of course, linear homogeneous of second order. If two solutions are there, it should be second order. Or for three, we can generalize it. Linearly homogeneous. Differential equation is linearly homogeneous such that e to the power x and sin x are its independent solutions. With constant coefficient असेल तर आपण डायरेक्ट अनलिटेड पॉलिनॉमियल हे काढू शकलो असता. We don't know whether they are variable coefficient or constant coefficient are its solution on real interval. So your required differential equation is this. Your required differential equation is this. How this A1 is calculated? A1 चा फॉर्म्युला आहे का लक्षात? अनम्यूट करून बोला कोणतरी. Wronskian of
minus determinant
minus determinant आपण पहिला कॉलम काय करतो? रिप्लेस करतो.
I1 phi 2
phi 1
phi 2
phi 1 phi 2
first row phi 1 phi 2 and second row phi 1 double dash phi 2 double dash.
phi 1 double dash and phi 2 double dash. Okay. वरती प्रूव्ह करताना आपण हे रो कॉलम एक्सचेंज केले नव्हते ते मायनस साइन. ठीक आहे, हे मायनस साइन आहे इथे. आणि A2 काय? हे विदाउट डॅश. आता डॅश नाही म्हणजे त्याचा कोएफिशियंट नाही. डॅश नाही म्हणजे काय? वाय डॅशचे कोएफिशियंट येणार नाही त्या ठिकाणी. त्या A1 साठी काढतात आणि A2 साठी काढतो म्हणजे काय? तिथं phi 1 phi 2 येणार नाही. म्हणजे कोण येतील? phi 1 डॅश phi 2 डॅश phi 1 double dash phi 2 double dash divided by the Wronskian. Divided by the Wronskian phi 1 and phi 2. Okay, you can mark your attendance. I will write derivative, all derivatives. I'm calling phi 1 as e to the power x and phi 2 as sin x. What is phi 1? Exponential of sin x. What is derivative of sin? Derivative of sin काय आहे?
minus cos x. नाही cos x तर फक्त.
Cos x.
Cos चा derivative minus sin. आणि डबल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा. phi 1 double dash e to the power x phi 2 double dash minus sin x. Okay, firstly I'm going to calculate A1. A1 value is, okay, it is calculated over here. I will write directly. A1 is minus of phi 1 phi 2 and phi 1 double dash phi 2 double dash upon the Wronskian. Wronskian means what? Phi 1 phi 2 phi 1 dash phi 2 dash. So minus phi 1 is e to the power x and phi 1 double dash is also e to the power x. Phi 2 is sin x, is double dash is minus sin. It's divided by the Wronskian. Phi 1 is e to the power x, phi 2 is sin x. First derivative is e to the power x. Its first derivative is cos x. Now you can calculate this easily. A1, what is numerator? E to the power x minus sin x. E to the power x into minus sin x minus काय गडबड झाली काय ठिकाणी बरोबर आहे. A1 काय येतो बघा बरं. ते बाहेर मायनस आहे मायनस e to the power x sin x is going to divided by e to the power x cos x minus e to the power x sin x. So you get it as 2 times e to the power x sin x divided by e to the power x common cos x minus sin x. This is your a1x. Now actually it comes function of x. 2 e to the power x sin x upon e to the power x cos x minus sin x. So this is a1 of x. A2 of x is determinant of phi 1 dash phi 2 dash phi 1 double dash phi 2 double dash divided by Wronskian. Just now we have calculated it is exponential of x into cos x minus sin x. So numerator things are phi 1 dash e to the power x, phi 2 phi 1 double dash e to the power x. Phi 2 dash is cos x and this is minus sin x. So what you get? बघा बरं calculate करून किती येते. A2 वाघमारे लेक्चर जॉईन वेळेवर करायचं.
सर मागेच केलं तर ते लिहून झालतो सर मध्ये ते आवाजच येत नव्हता सर.
ठीक आहे. e to the power x कॉमन काढला तर cos x minus sin x येईल ना. बरोबर आहे काय न्यूमरेटरला. हे बरोबर आहे का चेक करा. चेक आउट दिस. किंवा मला फायनल आन्सर सांगा आता मी काय कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं नाही ते. phi 2 dash आपण cos x दिला आणि phi 2 double dash minus sin x. आणि आन्सर प्रमाणे हे 1 यायला पाहिजे. फक्त चेक करून सांगा मला whether it comes 1.
Yes,
Same
sir,
thing.
1 आहे.
1 येतो.
1 येते ठीक. So your differential equation whose solutions given are this a1x. Okay, a1x थोडा मोठा आलाय. a1x काय आला होता आपला 2 sin x आपण ते कॅन्सल केलं नाहीत का. This we can cancel it.
हॅलो
sin x upon cos x minus sin x.
हॅलो
हा बोला.
हा सर A2x1 कसं येते 1 नाही येत ना.
ठीक आहे परत लिहून पाहू आता.
1 नाही सर.
ओके विल
A2 येते minus sin x minus cos x divided by cos x minus
a2
sin x.
a2 I am going to write phi 1 dash phi 2 dash बरोबर आहे. phi 2 double dash phi 2 double dash लिहिले तुम्ही phi 1 double dash आहे ना. ते आपण Wronskian आपण काढलेलं फक्त हे काय येतं चेक करू. phi 1 dash म्हणजे एक्सपोनेन्शियल ऑफ x आणि phi 2 dash काय होता वरती आपण sin x ना sin चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह cos x दिला होता. ओके
cos x
आणि cos x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पुन्हा मायनस sin
minus sin
it's a minus e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x cos x. e to the power x कॉमन काढूयात आपण, मायनस साइन कॉमन निघेल, cos x sin x नाही येत ना 1 ते, it doesn't comes 1 येत नाही ना ते. Okay, a2 this is divided by e to the power x cos x minus sin x. So this can be cancelled. Okay, 1 येत नाही ते बरं का. Cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x into y. So you can multiply this term to whole side because cos x minus असा कोणता x आहे की दोघांची व्हॅल्यू सारख्या त्या ठिकाणी cos x minus sin x. cos x equal to sin x कुठे आहे, ते x सोडलं तर बाकी ठिकाणी नॉन झिरो असेल असं आपण समजूयात. ठीक आहे, हे डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन येईल आपलं. This will be your differential equation, and you can have n number of problems to find to given independent solutions. You can construct a differential equation. Okay. Next example, consider L of y equal to 0 and let phi 1, phi 2 and psi 1, psi 2 be two bases for solutions of दोन इंडिपेंडेंट, दोन हे बेसिस आहे म्हणजे काय, इट इज अ फॉर्म, इट इज इंडिपेंडेंट सोल्युशन्स. दिस इज इन वन इंडिपेंडेंट सोल्युशन्स, दिस इज अनदर इंडिपेंडेंट सोल्युशन्स. जसं वेक्टर सोल्युशन स्पेस आपण पाहतो, वेक्टर स्पेसला एकापेक्षा जास्त बेसिस आहेत, म्हणजे एव्हरी सोल्युशन इज रिटन एज लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ आयदर दिस और एव्हरी सोल्युशन इज रिटन एज लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ आयदर. The solution of L of y equal to 0. Show that. Now we want to compare the Wronskian of these two. Show that the solution, show that there exists non-zero constant. Show that there exists non-zero constant k, phi number असेल तो, such that Wronskian of phi 1, phi 2 at x is nothing but k times Wronskian of psi 1 and psi 2. So we need to find this constant. Means one Wronskian is scalar multiple of other, that we need to prove. One Wronskian is scalar multiple of other. Let us discuss the proof. Given L of y equal to 0, that is y double dash plus a1 of x y dash plus a2 of x y double dash, sorry, y equal to 0. क्वेश्चन काय नाही आपल्याला, आणि आपल्याला काय दिलंय, याचा जो काय सोल्युशन स्पेस आहे, आपण समजा आपण सोल्युशन स्पेस आपण याचा डिनोट केला w ने, तर आपण असं लिहितोय फंक्शन्स, all those functions such that L of phi equal to 0. That is the solution space. Since its order is 2, the dimension of this w is 2, because you get two independent solutions here. You get two independent solutions. That two independent solutions form the basis for this. So here it is mentioned that phi 1, phi 2 and psi 1 and psi 2. These are the two different bases for W, that is solution space. Solution space of L of y equal to 0. So psi 1 is also solution. Since psi 1 is solution and phi 1, phi 2 is basis for solution space. Phi 1, phi 2 is basis for solution space. Then this psi 1 must be linear combination of these. Psi 1 can be written as, suppose I take C1 phi 1 plus C2 phi 2. तसंच जर तुम्ही phi 1 म्हटलं असतं तर phi 1 सुद्धा psi 1 psi 2 च्या कॉम्बिनेशन लिहिता आलं असतं. कोणताही एक घेऊ आपण. And similarly, psi2 is also solution of given differential equation. That solution of given differential equation. That means, and this is the basis. Psi2 also can be written as linear combination of phi1 and phi2. So I said two constant d1 and d2. You can write another form equation also. You can write phi1 equal to combination of psi1 psi2. आपण इथं काय म्हणतो, एक सोल्युशन घेतोय, दुसरा बेसिस म्हणतोय. हा बेसिस समजायचा आणि हा त्याचा सोल्युशन आहे. तर कोणतंही सोल्युशन घेतलं तर ह्या दोघांचे लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन आहे. समजा psi1 आणि psi2 ला बेसिस म्हटलं आणि phi1 ला सोल्युशन म्हटलं तर phi1 तुम्हाला psi1 psi2 च्या कॉम्बिनेशन द्यावं लागेल. phi2 तुम्हाला psi1 psi2 चे कॉम्बिनेशन. मी या ठिकाणी काय केलंय, psi1 ला सोल्युशन समजलं आणि याला बेसिस समजलं. म्हणजे psi1 कंपल्सरीली याच्या लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये देता येईल. लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन लिहित असताना आपल्याला दोन कॉन्स्टंट लागतील. तसंच psi2 पण सोल्युशन दिले आपल्याला. basis for solution space म्हणजे all are the solutions. So okay. Now just try to find Wronskian of this psi1 and psi2. हा simplify करत जायचा. Wronskian of psi1 and psi2. This is nothing but psi1, psi2, psi1 dash, psi2. आणि याला सिम्प्लिफाय करत करत गेले तर काहीतरी कॉन्स्टंट टर्म बाजूला निघेल आणि तुम्हाला Wronskian of phi1 phi2 असं काहीतरी दिसेल. ओके, we have time, we can do that work here. So psi1 is c1 phi1, c2 phi2. Phi2 is d1 phi1 plus d2 phi2. Derivative of this, c1 is constant, phi1 dash, c2 is constant, phi2 dash, d1 is constant, phi1 dash, d2 is constant, phi2 dash. Make a cross multiplication that is solve this determinant. So c1 phi1 plus c2 phi2, this is going to multiply to d1 phi1 dash plus d2 phi2 dash minus minus determinant d1 phi1 plus d2 phi2, and this is going to multiply to c1 phi1 dash plus c2 phi2 dash. आपल्याला कॉमन Wronskian phi1 phi2 काढायचं त्या सगळ्या याच्यातून, आणि जे काय राहील ते कॉन्स्टंट राहतील, c1 d1 काय असेल ते. आता ह्या ब्रॅकेटचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा पहिल्या. मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस टू, राईट, c1 phi1 multiply to d1 phi1 dash plus d2 phi2 dash plus c2 phi2, this is going to multiply to d1 phi1 dash plus d2 phi2 dash plus second bracket multiplication d1 phi1 c1 phi1 dash plus c2 phi2 dash. या ठिकाणी मायनस या, this should be minus. Minus d2 phi2 c1 phi1 dash plus c2 phi2 dash. मल्टिप्लिकेशन करत जाऊया आता. मल्टिप्लिकेशन मी काय करून पाहिलेलं नाहीये, पाहतो पण काय येतं ते. आता हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन पहा, c1 d1 हा, c1 d1 phi1 phi1 dash plus c2 d2 phi1 phi2 dash plus c2 d1 phi2 phi1 dash plus c2 d2 phi2 phi2 dash minus c1 d1 phi1 phi1 dash. It is going to cancel. Minus d1 c2 phi1 phi2 dash minus c1 d2 minus c1 d2, it is phi1 dash phi2 minus c2 d2 minus c2 phi2 into phi2 dash. काय काय कॅन्सल होते पावर या ठिकाणी. मला वाटतं हे दोघं सारखे आहेत. सेम. आणखी कोण सारखे आहेत पहा, c1 d2
C2 D2.
c2 d2 हे सारखे आहेत. phi1 phi2 dash. आणि अपोजिट साईन आहे, त्यामुळे हे सर्कल केले ग्रीन हे काय होतील, कॅन्सल होतील. आणि आता कॉमन काय निघाले या ठिकाणी पहा. आता हु इज कॉमन, phi1 डॅश phi2 डॅश, phi1 हे कॉमन आहे. कॉमन काढणाऱ्याला मी बोला, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी कॉमन, phi1 phi2 डॅश, दिस इज गोइंग टू कॉमन फॉर दिस. सो phi1 phi2 डॅश हा कॉमन काढला तर मध्ये काय राहील, c1 d2 प्लस c2 d1. आणि इथे मायनस साईन सह कॉमन काढतो मी. phi1 डॅश phi2 कॉमन काढला तर मध्ये काय राहत आहे, c1 d2 प्लस d1 c2. आणखी काय कॉमन निघेल आता, वेगळा कलर वापरतो. दिस इज कॉमन, दिस टू आर इक्वल. सो इफ आय टेक दिस कॉमन, c1 d2 and c2 d1 कॉमन घेतला तर मध्ये काय राहतं पहा, phi1 phi2 डॅश minus phi1 dash phi2. I call this number as constant. X-ray constant, I call it as k, and it is phi1 phi2 dash phi2 dash determinant. As a determinant पहिला phi1 into phi2 dash and minus phi1 dash into phi2. हा determinant आहे म्हणजे k times Wronskian of phi1 phi2. So in this way we have proved the Wronskian of psi1 psi2 is nothing but constant times Wronskian of phi1 phi2. If phi1 phi2 and psi1 psi2 are same, then this k will become 1. म्हणजे Wronskian हे डिपेंडंट आहेत असं लक्षात घ्यायचं. Wronskian of any two bases are always dependent. One Wronskian can be written as scalar multiple of other. That is the interesting part of this example. We can have
एक्झाम कसं असतं?
विचारा, बोला ना.
एक्झाम बद्दल पिंपळे सर सांगत होते, तुमच्याकडून विचारा म्हणलं.
मला वाटलं एक्झाम्पल विचारायचं, मला एक्झाम बद्दल माहिती पाहिजे. ओके, आता थेरी पार्ट जो रिडक्शन ऑफ ऑर्डर मेथड आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला डिस्कस करूयात.